Here at the Waldinger Corporation, we believe in leading boldly. Our people aren't just employees. Instead, they're empowered to become true experts in their fields. Our team members showcase their incredible talents, fostering an awesome environment where powerful teams collaborate seamlessly. Here's the thing. We grow dynamically with our clients, providing unmatched excellence in speed and quality, ensuring their success at every step along the way. We become partners for life with our clients, supporting them beyond the current project and delivering experiences clients love. Because when we say built by us, we mean it. We take pride in building projects that move our communities forward. The Waldinger Corporation, building a brighter future, one leader and one community at a time.